In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Adobe Express using the web or desktop version. This is a simple yet effective way to organize your data visually in any design project, providing a clearer understanding and a professional touch. Whether you're creating a presentation, infographic, or any other document, tables can make a significant difference. First things first, you need to open your design in Adobe Express on either the web or desktop platform. Once you have your design open, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel. This panel is your gateway to several options that can enhance your design, but today we're focusing on something specific within this panel: charts and grids. Within this Charts and Grids section, you'll see various tabs. Our focus is on the Tables tab, so let's navigate over to that. Here, Adobe Express offers a selection of table layouts to choose from. Find the Add Table button, or if there's a specific layout that catches your eye, feel free to click on it. This action adds the table to your canvas and opens up the possibility for customization. Now, it's time to start inputting your content. Simply click on the cells of your table and begin typing your text. This feature is quite intuitive, allowing you to easily transform a blank table into a well-structured data display. As you work, you may find the need to adjust the number of rows or columns to better fit your content. Adobe Express makes this straightforward. Just look for the Add Row or Add Column options in the menu. For any element that doesn't serve your purpose, you can remove it. Select the row or column you wish to delete, then use the Delete option. At times, merging cells can help clarify your data. To do this, click and drag over the cells you aim to merge. Once selected, choose the Merge Cells option. This will combine the specified cells into a single, larger cell. Resizing the table can also be necessary to either fit more data or adjust the visual flow of your design. To resize the entire table proportionally, use the corner handles at the edges of your table. If you need to resize just one row or column, hover over the line you wish to adjust until the resize icon appears, then simply drag. Don't forget about customizing the style of your table to match the rest of your design. In the Table panel, explore the options to change, fill colors, adjust borders, choose fonts, and even add animations if you're aiming for something dynamic. Additionally, you can tweak the alignment of your text both horizontally and vertically, ensuring it fits the aesthetic of your project. By following these steps, you can effectively add and customize tables in Adobe Express, enhancing both function and appearance.